Guys, I am ready to resign and take my pension money and go to Turkey and then live happily ever after. My dear, do you know when they are talking about Pepe, they are talking about Uvuyo Kazincikweni Kesana. Kani, what is she? She's a reality TV star, content creator, YouTuber, businesswoman, nobu semi-celebrity ngoku. People call her Iqanda leKhandri. Guys, her comeback is too personal. This is what they meant when they said Yebetuna, she remembered who she was and then the game changed. Oh, Betuna, self-love is everything. Hello, hi, welcome. I am Simi Sotashe, your chommy that is always ready to spill the tea, no fear or favor. So make sure you are subscribed and you hit that notification bell so that you are always on the loop with the hottest trends. Mpumelelo Mseleku's baby mama Vuyo Kazincikweni recently shared bikini pictures on Instagram. That was during her stay in the Sunrise Hotel in Gqeberha. Let me tell you something about her because I know her. She's never showed off her body like that before. Even in her beach photos, guys, she would always cover with something. But ngoku confidence ithini sana. Loud, Aisha, the body transformation is definitely to die for. Bamkenikile teki guys. Iyandika nale into of referring to her as a baby mama of that deadbeat boy. Uvuyo is her own woman now. She's flying with her own wings, and I'm so happy that akaseyo type kampumelelo guys yamanzi kaloku usibindi that itype zakhe ngo-code 14 kanje. I love and I will always cheer a woman who's starting over and rewriting her story. That's exactly what Vuyo is doing. Sis, I want you to know that you did not do this only for yourself, but you represent all women who couldn't believe that loving yourself, man, is a daily ritual and you must be loud about it, and you can reach the best version of yourself. Sibona pha kuwe sana, sifundile, and we are definitely taking notes. While still on the pictures, hey man, I couldn't help but notice that her belly button looks weird and it's positioned phezulu man kakhulu. Why do these people always misplace buttons zabantu kodwa bathi sebenze yonke into right aske onyuka ugqongo sana ayotsho evalweni? I have noticed this with other celebrities as well. The belly button iyashifta, but Okavuyo didn't only shift but utsalekile wamde. I think mhlawumbi into funeka uyilindele after surgery that it might happen. Yo, yabona ke izinto ke mna ke zindoyikisayo. Kodwa ke for her it's just the belly button, but everything else, oh, ihleli manca kakuhle, iyamfanela. Ladies, this is a reminder that you can start from where you are and work to be your best self in whatever way is comfortable for you. A city song is about the content creators, but whatever you can do, whatever you are able to do it to your best ability. Yenze abantu babe nezothe nguwe, badikwe nguwe. Indoda icengwa kakhulu, funeke ithi xa isithi futheka uthi tsa, ithi futheka uthi tsa, and then umke ikhale imane kubukela kude phako Instagram ibiqonda ba andiluzile. I shame for your guys, come back. That's in the city personal. That's it for me, guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye.